to take out Scum.
The Incredibles.
Bow.
Tyler. He's been doing it the whole time. He had subtitles on. We have Tyler's. We have it on mute, so Tyler's doing subtitles and he's just reading it. And he's doing like a weird voice. And it's funny.
Oh, Andrew, hi.
Alright. I don't know what you have for my birthday.
Oh shit. What the fucking nigga gotta do? I grow up and get it. I gotta put up with this robot shit. Ouch. Violently screams.
Wait, so do you have to wait for Stevie to get home? I forgot.
Mom, I've got the
Do you have to
remote.
wait for Stevie to get home?
A remote that controls what?
I wanted to,
The robot?
I wanted to get my presents. I wanted to get my presents when you got here.
It's coming back,
what do you
Bobby
mean?
Hills.
Is everybody or what?
That was right, give me that. You can't stop it, the only thing hard enough to penetrate is my cock. It's getting closer! It doesn't work! Hey kids! It's not doing anything. Try to buy us some time. Try the one next to it. Shit. Nigga power. Honey.
Shorties are mine.
Oh, wait a minute. Press that button again. No, the other one. The first one. First one. Got it. It's getting closer. Look out. Get out of here. We're not going anywhere. That nigga's too fast. Press the button. Not yet. Right now, what are you waiting for? The closest target. You got one shot. Bitch. Everybody fuck.
My heart.
It's like the PGA Tour up in here. Only one nigga. Boom. Hey, Zone. Cheering and applauding. That nigga disappeared. Oh, no! Did you see that? Well, that's the way they do it. That's old school. No, school like the old school. Just like old times, though. Just like old times. Yeah, I heard one too. We've frozen all of Syndrome's assets. Even if we have sneezes, we'll be there with a hanky and a pair of handcuffs. The people of this country are indebted to you. Does this mean we can let the police? I've been asked to assure you that we'll take care of everything else. You did good, Bob. This is Harvey. I have a question about Jack. This nigga's crazy. Come on, we're in a limo. Hey, you're wearing your hair black. Oh shit, I love this pussy. Yeah. Is it okay if I'm not a virgin anymore?
No, we should put this on YouTube. It's already up to 3 minutes.
You can do like 10.
Oh shit, you can do as many as you want, nigga. I'm listening to messages. It's me. Jack's found out weird things are happening. I mean, we smoked all this crap, and Jack's still fine. But I'm getting really weirded out. When are you coming back? Ace, these guys that tried to kill us, that was the best vacation ever. I love our family. I'm not fine, Mrs. Parr. Stop it. You need help, Mrs. Parr, listen to this. I'm gonna call the police on you, you dirty nigger. Sorry for freaking out. Your baby has special needs. He's retarded. Thanks for sending a replacement. I didn't call a replacement. Oh, shit. I'm a rapist. The baby is sleeping. You took away my future. You took